yelling at? Oh, those are unhappy grunts. Okay, okay. Can we pull you back over? Oh, there we go. Come here. There we go. Can you see the camera? Oh, yeah, not bad. Make funny noises now. Yes, sir, you do. There's his nose. Can you do it again? Let's get this going. Good spitting. I swear I'm not pinching him. Are you going to take over the universe? Let's wipe the spit off your face. So this new noises this week are that breathing. And then the kind of screaming grunting you heard earlier. Yeah. Cuteness. Any other noises? Oh, you crack us up. There you go. There's a good scream. Do you have some more screamies? Do you have some more screamies? Yeah, that's his noise this week. All right, checking out.